The first thing I'm going to do is design models of all 3 pendants necessary on Fusion 360. After I finished that, I put them into Cheeto Box and then sent them to print on my Elegoo Mars resin printer with white liquid resin. Now the first one I'm going to work with is the J pendant, and I'm gonna sand it and add some dents and damages to it because if you look closely, Harley's was pretty dented at parts and had damages like that, so I'm going to try to replicate that. After that, I sprayed primer on it to then paint it, but I was not really fully happy with how the damages looked on it, so I sanded it some more. Now I'm going to paint the red part of the little heart pendant she has next to the J. First I sprayed the entire thing gold, and now I'm on the 3rd layer of red on the inside. I also have the little Jack's pendant that she has at the end of the chain, and I sprayed it gold. So now I'm going to take this chain that looks similar to hers but not quite, so I'm going to modify it to be exactly like hers, and after that it is finished.